So now we're gonna go into motorcycle world. My family's leaving me. Bye, family. Look at the motorcycles and the side cars and all that stuff. Small Harley Davidson family right there in the Kawasaki. How did that work? My family's coming back. Come to me. You're all I need anyways. You're all I need. Different Harleys. You drive that motorcycle back? Boss house. Oh, these are Indians. Get it? For real, it's the Indian motorcycle. Because they got Indians here. He's like, woohoo, Indian motorcycles. Yeah. He got more back there that's not on display. Yeah. Uh-huh. That's like you'll see like overseas where they got like the smaller like mopeds or scooters carrying the little things like that. Marlboro man. Oh, they look cool too. Look weird. I was thinking we might have seen chips, but didn't see chips. So I ended the video too early. This will be the second part. Cut it into it. That's what that all is. Elvis, Rolling Stones, The Beatles, somebody else, David Bowie, Jimi Hendrix, Freddie Mercury. I didn't see it on from this side. I didn't see it on from this side. I don't know what that's supposed to be.
I don't know, but it's nice.
Yeah, they got that one. They're actually polished up real nice too.
That's a Ferrari.
Yeah.
You see no Lamborghinis though. Surprisingly. Might be some on the James Bond side though.
Yeah. These are like David's scooter that she had. People Herman bike probably in there. Okay, I'm coming. All the different scooters and bikes and mopeds. Sorry if I'm going too fast, y'all. I'm being rushed by the family. But yeah, definitely got to come here and check this place out. Like I said, it's today is June 28th, 2024, and the price is $30 a person. Groupon is accepted at Dezerland only in certain areas of Dezerland. So the museum side, which is where we're at now, looking at all this stuff. Yeah, can do Groupon with them, but the trampoline park called Jumpstart, they do not accept Groupon. So before you just say, oh, we can get these tickets on Groupon, check wherever you're going to first, just to be sure that the location and the attraction accepts Groupon. Because right now my sister-in-law did Groupon for the trampolines, but it is not accepted. So she's waiting for the money to be credited back whenever, I don't know. So here we go on this side. These little cars here. Oh, yeah, little. My family's rushing me. I don't know why they're rushing so much. I mean, look at all these cars. There's a lot. All up there. All down here. They're everywhere. A Bugatti. So that Bugatti right there. Roll up on the girl right there saying, "Oh, I'm in the Bugatti." She gonna laugh at you. That ain't the Bugatti she looking at. Alright. So here we go, some more Tweety Bird. So yes, definitely check out Dezerland. Pretty cool place. Like I said, if you want to get a discount, so you can do it through Groupon, but just got to be careful. Make sure it's accepted wherever you're going to at Dezerland. Yeah, it's definitely nice. Got some more areas. We're headed out. That's the go-kart track over there. Bowling over there.